Hey everyone, today we're doing a grocery haul, but we're doing it from not home, as you can see. So we're actually camping right now, and I'm going to show you what we picked up for our groceries for our camping trip. As you can see, I am inside of our food tent. It's a mesh tent where we keep all the dry goods. We actually keep the cooler out there for easy access, but the dry goods are kept in here. So we went to ALDI's and picked some stuff up. We have a bag of pork rinds, and some of this is already open because I didn't feel like filming last night once we were finished setting up, except for doing like sunsets and things. But we also picked up one bag of the original veggie chips. The kids really love veggie chips. 2 boxes of the honey graham crackers for s'mores and for snacking, with some other things I'll show you in a minute. Some of the honey roasted dry peanuts, another box of graham crackers. I did not know that they had kettle chips at ALDI's, and it's our weekend off from keto, so we picked up some kettle chips. These are the mesquite barbecue. They are very good. Matt also picked up some beef jerky. I don't remember if that was from ALDI's or if that was from Walmart. 1 bag of sweet potato chips. And then also in here, just to keep everything together, we also put like all of our meds and things in here. 2 boxes of Propel, 3 of these energy drink things for Matt. But we also put like our anti-itch, our band-aids, some other medications for everybody in here, and our aluminum foil, and 1 of our boxes of Ziplocs. We also picked up 1 bag of the oats and honey granola crunch. I think those are just forks and spoons. We already had the paper plates. The Folgers cappuccino was from Walmart. On to our cooler foods. The water we picked up from Walmart. We picked up 4 bags of dried fruit. We have figs, apricots, mangoes that need sealed, and the blueberries. And I've tried all of them. They're all really good. 1 bag of red seedless grapes. What else do we have? We have the bacon. I don't remember what kind it was, but it has like a peppercorn coating on it. We had it for breakfast. 1 box of unsalted butter. Some dry salami for Matt for snacking. The vintage Irish cheddar for Matt for snacking. The Hershey's chocolate. We were actually able to find at ALDI's for a 6-pack for making s'mores. Buried down here is goat's cheese for Sarah. Pink Lady apples. 2 packs of these uncured Angus beef franks for dinner for both nights. These giant s'mores, or marshmallows for s'mores. The ketchup and mustard we actually picked up at Walmart because we couldn't find small bottles anywhere else. We didn't intentionally buy no sugar powder just because that's what we usually buy now. It was just that was the smallest bottle they had. You can see the eggs down there. We finished off 1 dozen this morning. And here is the blueberry goat's cheese. We ate some of that with granola last night, or with graham crackers last night. So that's it for our camping grocery haul. If you want to check out our other camping videos, just link's going to be up in the sky, and we will see you next time.